How's everything? This is the time for me to cook. And this is the very healthy food, which is sun-dried tomato spaghetti, because I love tomatoes. Watch and learn. This recipe that I'm going to cook is for 2 person, but up to you if you want for more people. Well, the ingredients are of course the pasta, you'll see the sun-dried tomatoes, garlic, there is the blend green herbs, grape tomatoes, which is my favorite, the sliced almonds, vegetable stock concentrate, cream cheese, and Parmesan cheese. Oh my god, in my video, I'm sorry because of my camera. I'm trying to shoot in this with Eleana'S cooking time, but I'm trying to get better. But this, well, they will see in my video. You're going to prep, you bring a large pot of salted water to a boil, wash and dry produce. And of course, finely chop sun-dried tomatoes, peel and mince or grate garlic, half grape tomatoes lengthwise, place in a small bowl and toss with a drizzle of olive oil, salt and pepper. Pick parsley leaves from the stems, finely chopped leaves, thinly sliced chives. You see in my video, when you're going to toast almonds while spaghetti cooks, heat a large fry pan over medium-high heat. Add almonds and cook, stirring often until fragrant and lightly brown 2 to 4 minutes. When it's get better, turn off heat, transfer to a second small bowl and wipe out pan. To make sauce, heat a drizzle of olive oil in pan, use for almonds over medium heat, add sun-dried tomatoes, my favorite, and garlic, cook, stirring occasionally until fragrant 1 to 2 minutes, season with salt and pepper. Then of course you need to stir in stock concentrate and cup plain water. Well, some depending how much you're going to cook. Bring to a simmer and cook until slightly reduced 1 to 2 minutes. Reduce heat to low and whisk in cream cheese until fully incorporated. After the sauce, time to finish the spaghetti. Stir grape tomatoes into sauce. Add drained spaghetti, half the parmesan, and 1 tablespoon butter and toss to combine. Stir in half the chopped parsley and half the chives. Season with salt and pepper depending on your taste. Then turn off the heat. Well, the tip is, if needed, stir in reserved pasta cooking water a splash at a time until pasta is coated in a creamy sauce. So time to serve. Divide pasta between bowls, top with almonds, remaining parmesan, remaining chopped parsley, and remaining chives. If you still want more, yeah, that's everything. Time for me to eat. So those people want to have question, comment in the under of my video. See you next time. Thank you. Take care. Bye.